members of the Kisii community. My name is Hoffman Ondieki. Hoffman Ondieki is the Secretary General of the Kisii County Contractors Association. Today I'm here not on behalf of the contractors, but I'm here on behalf of the watchdog that it comprises of the business community in Kisii, that has brought together the farmers, has brought together the contractors, that has brought together the business community in Kisii. And we want to give an highlight on the new development that is happening in Kisii County, that is under the leadership of His Excellency Simba Arati. I want to speak before I introduce my chairman of the association is here, Momanyi, the overall chairman, Kinyami, that is Migori, Kisii and Nyamira, is also present, Kode Kikiana Doktari, and we have the members who are present. I want to say this. There are things that are being spoken, the new development that has been highlighted, and many things have happened in Kisii. But there are things that I want to speak today as a Secretary General. And many times, many people have known that I've always defended my contractors because that's my mandate as a Secretary General. But I decided that let me give Simba Arati time so that he will not come and complain and say that the Secretary has been giving me hell of time with the politicians, that I not be able to dispatch out my duties. But I want to say this to the community of Kisii, that wherever we are as a people in Kisii, we are in problems. And we have come to understand that the person we elected as a leader, the person we elected as a governor does not have papers. And many times I've spoken about this because I have...
Okay. My names are Dr. Kodeke Omwenga Keana. I am the chairman Kinyami, Kisii, that is Nyamira, Homabay and the Migori Contractors Association. And I've been a leader as a chairman previously and a political leader. And I happen to be one of the senior most brother of Simba. During the time when he was nominated, I was by then an elected leader. And I expected this man to behave and to stand up because he could have recognized leadership within the fraternity of Kisii County. As a leader, I was just saying, this man came to Kisii and he underrated all the leaders who are in Kisii. Like, he abused the Mzee Ongeri, he abused the Mzee Obure, former governor Ongwae, Mzee from South Mogrango, CS Machogu, Ma Oyongo, all these people who used to be here, even the president. So, as a leader, it is a number request and advice I give this guy. Kindly, the moment you see elderly people just going against you, and even this man went against and even diminished the people who have been appointed by God, pastors and even bishops. So we want to tell him he'll never get peace of mind till the time he'll realize there is a Kenyan born by a woman from Bobasi, Bogichoncho, whereby he's a young boy. He has never stayed there. And he went to Nairobi for a training of not what we expected to be done at Kisii County. I want to highlight this. We want to thank His Excellency Elvis Ongwae because God gave us him to initiate and start the count of Kisii, because he gave us the structures of Kisii County. And in fact, where he left the Kisii County is a very good position. I expected this guy to steer development because he got everything, staff, vehicles, offices, everything. This is the same man who has done rain from the same office that when I was a mayor, we used to use that office. When Ongwae came, he left that office. He used that office, I mean. But when Simba came, he has gone to be a footballer. And the Kisii people tend to think that this person can make a governor. I want to report to the public of Kenya that this man, on 4th October last year, we went to the assembly and we petitioned because the people, the goons, he came with them to watch the civil servants, that if you are one market master or clerk, you must be given somebody who doesn't even have a personal number, that he is the one who will just watch you and inspect you. Because he came with that style. He came to border, that's what he did. He came to contractors. In fact, I'm worried even the way I am here. I'm the senior most contractor in this region. That this guy came, he is now abusing Ongwae to be a thief. But when you come to the reality, this man, those people who used to work with Ongwae, and those people we knew that they are thieves, they are the far front, that because they have given him 30%. And